Hello and Assalamualaikum. It's me, Avis, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And well, I'm so sorry that I was not able to make some more videos after 3 months ago. I just made some video on this boom and crash. Actually, I was busy somewhere, so I couldn't able to make that. Meanwhile, I was keep trading this whole thing, but I couldn't able to make the video. So now I'm back again, and I'm back with the new motivation, and I'm gonna help you out that how you people can crack this boom and crash and disease. And well, the people who are watching the first time, well, they are new on this channel. Well, my channel is already a new channel. It's not that much populated, but this channel is for educational purpose, all right, and where I show how I can crack this boom and crash synthetic market with the help of my indicator, the indicator I made, right? So I'm gonna take some live executions here. So the target percentage of my indicator is like I'm uh, accepting like 95% I'm accepting that this indicator work. So so jump into the chart, let's see how things are going, and let's see how I'm taking trades. Right now I'm in with this boom 1000, right? I just got an indication here and I place a trade, 5 lots here on this area. I'm expecting a spike here soon, before right now the time is 119 and 121 is my stop loss, right? And I'm expecting a spike before 121. I'm talking about the time is right now is 119, so I just want to have like this, all right? 119, 125, I'm gonna close this rate. 121. So let's see. Meanwhile, do we have some other trade? Yes, we just got a signal of boom, 900, right? I'm about to take a trade here, but I have to see a couple of things before jumping in. Yes, we have a inducement low, and I'm expecting a very good spike from here, right? So 1 minute, everything is set. I just placed, right? On 5 minutes, what do we have? Yeah, we have this thing, right? But if we look for like on 15 minutes, what do we have? We have this thing. This is a very important thing, right? This. But I'm gonna take off if the market, like right now it's 120. So this trade is like for 15 minutes, like at 1:30 I'm gonna close this trade, right? So let me show you that, like here. Okay, on 1:30 I'm gonna take close this trade. I just took this trade? I got a notification of my indicator that something is about to move, right? So I just look things on 15 and 5 minutes, and I just mark them out. I'm expecting a spike from here as well. So let's see how things work. What about the boom 1000? I told you that I was in, and I know it's 121. Let me see. Few more seconds. I'm gonna see this, and things are smooth. It should spike from here. Yeah, I'm waiting. Right, I'm waiting because I'm expecting a spike here within a few minutes. If then, I'm gonna close. Okay, so what about boom 900? Boom 900 is still intact, right? Okay, so let's see. Boom 900. Do we have some other notification here? No. Just check it out how things work. I got a notification, small spikes, notification, didn't spike, step out, or even I told you 12 candle after the small spike. You can wait. And before 12 candle, it spike again. And if you took entry somewhere here, it already reached there, like in a layers form. Normally, I used to play with the layers. So let's say if you see my older videos, you'll see that how I make layers and how I execute things. Like the way I'm executing here right now, and I'm expecting to close this trade right now because I want market to take yeah, one more 15 candle, then one two three four, okay, one more 15 candle. It can spike from here, but I'm expecting the spike from next candle, right? So that is why I close this trade. I'm not gonna wait for next like 7 minutes. I'm gonna add some more there, right? So how about boom 900? Where's that boom 900? I place order here, and we have time right now is like 123. All right, and we have 123, two outside inducement. All right, okay. We are about to jump more in it. I'm gonna place more in it. All right. The objective of my today's session, or today's, you can say, a live video, is to make a $50, just $50. I don't need $5,000. I just need $50. I just want to make $50, and after that, I'm gonna close this video. All right. Let's see how fast I can make $50 with the help of my indicator. Right now I lose like 29, 39 something with the boom 1000, and I'm looking for it. I'm gonna cover that $29 from it, inshallah. So let's see. So far it's going smooth, and about to have this thing. Okay. Okay. We are good to go. We're good to go. Let's see. Two indication I just found, and I'm waiting for time to tick on. Okay, let's move to some other asset. Okay, what exactly? In my previous video, you have seen that I was using like four assets for trading, but this time I added some more. I select five assets from boom side and four assets from crash sides, like 1900, 600, 500, 300, 1900, 600, 500. Either I choose that 300 as well, but right now I didn't add it here because it's gonna mess like four charts in a small row. But the strategy is same. Whenever I get the indicator, I just look charts. Like, let's suppose I just got some indication here, right? So what will I do if I got an indication here? I'm gonna look for 4 hour, 1 hour, 30 minutes. What do we have here? Is there any support, any fair value gap, any order block, any swing low, swing high, a major point? If there is a major point, you can place a trade there, but make sure the closing of the candles are very important. Like, let's suppose market close below it, either the number is here, the signal is here, you're not going to wait too long. It can come for this low then, or either come for this low. So you should close this. If it spike, it's okay, no problem. You will get penalty of like indication from this. So you have to see a couple of things like 4 hours for support, resistance, daily, structure wise. If you see the candles are bullish, it's a swing high, swing low, and market did what, making a swing highs like breakout structure up, confirmation. That is a major change of character. Market close above. Market close above. Market made a new inducement. No, this is not an inducement. If it sweep, then it's an inducement. But otherwise, this is a major level. But it is not either a major level as well, because these all candles are inside this candle, so these are nothing. That's the major low. So still we have this low to be tagged, and the market can come to this order flow either, or either market can come to this early gap as well. But what we're gonna do is this market came here back. Look what it did. It came back, it retest it, and make it explode, and now it went high. So that zone is a bully. So we are looking for a buy side trades and we get it. Okay. So now crush, look, just beautiful. You see this spike on a 1 minute. It gives me like, as you can see, 39, right? I'm gonna wait this candle. I'm gonna close them, right? $39 we already made from these two, and just check it out. The beautiful move. It's like $131 now, right? Just got an indication on the basis of some support and resistance, or either order block or fair value gap. I don't know what I saw in that, but I took a trade here, and it gives me a beautiful move of $139, right? I'm gonna wait this candle, and after that I'm gonna close that, right? And this is what exactly uh, my indicator works, that how exactly this beautiful thing work. Okay, I'm gonna take a trade. I closed that trade. I knew that this will gonna be a like long trade. So because the market is crashing very badly, so I'm looking for like few more minutes. Like after 30 minutes, what will happen? And then I'm gonna take a trade here, right? Meanwhile, I just see the boom. I'm going to close the boom here, right? Okay, close. Let me take the tar made profits. Close boom positions. 124 in, right? Now we are looking for this boom 1000. It jumped. Told you that I'm gonna make a spike from here. Shit, we just missed this thing. I was expecting a spike from here, and it spiked. Well, this is all about this indication, right? The TP, as the people who are watching first time, let me tell you the TP of my trade is this, the indication. I wait for two candles. If it didn't spike, or either sometime I wait for five candles, it didn't spike, I close the trade, right? Or sometime I do like I open the last, I still remain open the last order, and I'll close the other one, the other four, two, three, whatever the orders are placed in. I close them all except the last one. So this is how exactly I'm making and I'm cracking this thing. And if you see that how this thing work whole day, so we can have a little demonstration on that thing. Let me give you some demonstration. The boom 1000, the indication it spiked, give you a profit. It spiked, and either it came back here, spiked. This thing it gives you a stop loss here, because after a small candle I told people to get out from the market after 12 candle. All right, so this is a thing, you got step out. Then again we got this signal. I don't know where, either it is here or before here. Let's assume it's a stop loss, two stop loss. This is also a stop loss here, right? So that is why I usually first what before I was doing that, whenever I get an indication I keep placing the orders here, and most of the time it go very deep, so it gives me a big disturbance. All right, so what now I used to do is that whenever I get the indication, I look for the support and resistance, fair value gaps, some structure view, right? So after that I place trade here. So the workout is good so far on boom 1000, but today it was a bearish one. Let's see what boom 900 did. Yes, it's a spike. Let's start from a beautiful spike, spikes, spike, 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 spike. I guess, yeah, spike. Yeah, it reached spike and spike. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, let's talk about boom 600. What it did with this indicator. All right. So let's start. Spiked, 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 spiked. Right, beautiful. Stop out. Spiked, stop out. I guess no. Spiked, spiked, spiked. Right, it worked. All what you need to do is just be focused and control your risk management. If you can manage it, don't be so greedy. With the help of this indicator you'll become, "Oh, okay, now every time it is working, so let's place the big amount." No, it's not like this. You have to choose a minimum lots, right? Why I'm saying, because if you start placing 1 1 1, it will gonna give you a big damage if it did spike, right? So start it with by 0.22 and make a layers, and decide how far you can go, like 2 lots, 3 lots, but make it maximum 5 lots, right? So if you have capital to lose, like let's suppose I do have 63,269 USD in my account right now, right? So I know that 13,000 I place a luxury on my overall asset, that this 1300 $13,000 is my liquidity, which I have, which I can compromise on. All right. So that is why then I place trades on the behalf of this $1300. I place trades on, right? And once like I go below to $60,000, I start doing it with 0.11, 0.2. Yeah, I'm sorry, 1 2 1 2, not 5 then, right? The lots I'm using right now, it's 5, right? On the basis of 13,000. Just forget about this. Now, do we have any other trade? Yes, just check this out. Crash, which one? Yes, crash 900, spike, spike, spiked, 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 spiked. It is working on crash 900. Okay, let's see, crash 600. Let's see. Crash 600 is a beautiful asset, right? So let's see how it works. Crash, crash, stop out. And do we have some other thing back on the back? Nope, we don't have, right? So let's talk about the boom 300. Do we have something? Yeah, spy. There we have a lot of things there. All right. So it start from here 1000 above. It gonna gives you the signal, like spiked, 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 spiked. It's all work. So all what you need is to work on the basis of your working, as well as this indicator will give you a luxury of, like, you don't need to see the charts all the time. How I use this indicator is like, I keep doing my work whole day, and I put a notification push on. And once I get a notification on my mobile, I look for the chart, supports, resistance, structure of that specific chart. And if I see that there is a probability of this thing to spike, drop, and downside or upside, I'll start placing the orders. But before placing the orders, I look for my, like, what is the specific loss I can bear. I place that amount there. So according to that, I just wait for, now I place a stop loss after, like, I place an order. 20 candles are my stop loss, right? I used to close that trade, and I look for new hunt. And if I place trade on the behalf of 5 minutes, I place stop loss after like 8 candles, right? There are two strategies I'm using on the behalf of this indication. I Whenever I get a notification, I place I look for 15 minutes and 5 minutes, and either for 1 hour. So I look for the trade. If the trade is based on 15 minute or 5 minute, 15 minute, I place a stop loss of 20 candles, and on the base of 5 minute I place a stop loss of 8 candles, right? So I'll keep posting the videos on every day, and all my objective is to make a video here, because I don't need somebody to be pushed for to buy this indicator. All right. But this thing is working, so I am just sharing my videos with these videos. I learn a lot by myself as well, right? Whenever something happen, I keep recording and replay it again to see what exactly the mistake I did here. So that is a record, because I my phone doesn't have that much storage that I can save these all videos and keep looking for them again and again. So I save it on YouTube so that I can see those video by myself and look for the mistake I'm making, and I want to improve them on. All right. So I'm fixing it, and the community I'm gonna make. Let's suppose somebody wants to buy this indicator. Okay, I will sell it out in some amount of money. But I know people are struggling and they want to get something which is important for them. So important, I mean, which helps them out to be good in financial term, because everybody is working for the fucking money, right? So I'm sorry. So it's a fact. So the thing is, I want you to be I'm transparent. I'm not bluffing, or I'm not saying that you should buy this, but I found this thing very crazy, all right? And I'm trying it. Yes, it's give you satisfaction. It gives you a satisfaction. Yes, you have to learn with it. You shouldn't be dependent on this indicator all the way, right? So, well, there are penalty of things which I'm gonna explain you while I'm making the videos, right? So stay tuned, stay in touch, and keep watching the videos. And if you do have something to share, or either some strategy which you think that is working more as I'm showing, so you should share that with me as well, either via if you do have a YouTube channel or anything. Just make a YouTube channel and start sharing your charts with the people, and people will make and take out the mistakes, so you can improve. All right. So good luck, guys. And I'm just showing this all things live, because you people should judge me that the indicator whom I called Sonay ki Murgi is at work or not. So this indicator gives you around 50 plus signals a day. All you need is to plan your trades with a proper risk management, right? So first learn the execution and then on the money, bros. So thank you very much for watching, and thank you and love you all, guys.